Okay, I'm going to do a short video on how to use a Hoover Dynamic Next all in one touch. You can download the app store. It's got basic features. For the Android, it's got more features. You can download different cycles for different washers. Alternatively, we can have a look at how to use the wash and dry functions on this one. So we've got all-in-one mix. This one currently takes 1 hour and 57 minutes. If you choose the all-in-one 59, it says it all 59 minutes, and then you got the 14-minute one. If you need to go to 30 and 44, you can click that button, it goes to 30 and 44-minute wash cycles. If we do the 30 minutes, and actually let's go to 14, and then you can ask it to dry as well, which is that feature there. So click on that one, you get the little sun at the top, click again, you get the iron, so you have to iron your clothes afterwards and effectively get the rest of the dryness out, or the wetness out, shall we say. Click again, you get super dry, so you can just put them straight in the cupboard, and they usually don't need ironing. So if we go with the top one, gets it the hardest, spin dry. You can actually do up to 1,000 and more spin test degrees. We'll do 40. So close the door, click start. Another question everybody used to ask is, I forgot to add something in. I'll have a sock. Click pause, or hold pause. Machine will stop, and you can do this at any stage. Just make sure there's no water inside. That quite works, so try again. There you go, it should start flashing. That means it's paused. Should give it about a minute, I believe, and then the doors will open. There's that click. Now open the door. Add the extra sock. Close it in. And click continue. And continue with that cycle. I can really forget about it now. Come back. And my clothes should be fully dry as well. Unfortunately, the dry cycle does take quite a while. About an hour or two. Sometimes 3, depending on how much clothes you've got on there. But I've learned to let it just do its thing. So it's 2 hours, and then I will do 2 hours. Any questions, do ask, or leave us your review after this. Just remember, always let it do its full cycle, whether it's a wash or a dry function, and the machine will work perfect.